Hey there, pet parents. So today I've got a delicious and healthy summer treat recipe for your furry friends that has only 3 ingredients. We'll start with these little blue powerhouses, blueberries. Did you know that they're packed with antioxidants that promote brain health in our 4-legged pals? Just drop a few of these juicy gems into each mold. Next up, Greek yogurt, a great source of probiotics that can support your dog's digestive health. Happy belly, happy doggo. Adding another burst of blueberry goodness because why not? Now, here comes the magic ingredient, coconut oil. Not only does it taste yummy, but it's also a fantastic friend for your dog's gut health. So, lesson learned here, make sure you've got a sturdy surface under your mold before you start. Thank goodness for my hubby, right? Teamwork makes the dog treat dream work. Alright, so pop your mold into the freezer, and before you know it, you'll have these delightful treats ready for your pup. There you have it, tasty healthy treats that your fur baby will absolutely love. And hey, don't be afraid to switch it up. Try using mint or parsley for a breath-freshening twist. Just remember, always do your research to make sure the ingredients are pup approved. Subscribe for more pet-friendly recipes and tips, and keep those tails wagging. Stay cool and keep your furry friends refreshed this summer.